welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload new video. Okay, on today's video, another unboxing haul. So I'm really excited every time I do receive my monthly subscription beauty box. I'm so excited. So finally, I did not expect it that gonna show up yesterday. I don't know how to explain it. I got two types of Boxycharm, the regular one and this one, Boxyluxe. And Boxyluxe, you will receive it every 3 months, and the regular one, you will receive it every month. So finally, I got my Boxyluxe yesterday. I'm really excited. I don't know what's inside. So join me to unbox our monthly subscription beauty box, Boxycharm. I'm really excited. Oh, this is really heavy box, really heavy. This is what's look like Boxycharm, and they got this little heart on the bottom, super cute. And again, they put this little paper. Again, on the back, they put all the name and the price as well. What product we're gonna receive today. I'm really excited. Ooh, oh my god, I see pink. I see pink. I'm so excited. That's a beautiful color. Okay. Now I'm really excited. Now I'm so excited already. Okay, I'm so excited. So let's go ahead for the first one. I can't read it. It's kind of hard to pronounce the word. It's like long words. Okay, I'll give up. I'm not gonna read the name on the paper. I'm just gonna show you what product we're gonna get for today, and then it's easier for me to just put the product and also the price on the screen while I'm editing it. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. Look at this, guys. It's pink, super pink. I don't know, is that like water bottle or makeup container or something like that? I don't know. It's so cute. Brushes, makeup brushes. It's super cute. Makeup brushes. Oh my god, and it's pink. It's super cute. This is what's look like, as they have those little lock on the both side of the makeup container, whatever you call that. And this is what's look like the pink container, whatever makeup container you call that. And also, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 12 different brushes. It's so cute, and it's like the color is my favorite color, pink, and with the rose gold on it. That's super cute. 10 pieces of makeup brushes, and I love the container. So cute, really cute makeup holder or whatever. And then you close like that, and they have this lock, and also on the other side too. This is super cute. Okay, next is the Persona lip gloss, vegan, gluten free, and honey gloss. The shade, this is super cute lip gloss. Is shiny, kind of like nude color. Super cute lip gloss, and it's super shiny. I love that. Oh, I'm so excited. We're gonna try it on later. I'm gonna show you what the colors look like. So super cute lip gloss. And next is this Fenty Beauty highlighter duo. Ooh, this is what's look like the box, guys, of the highlighter. Super nice packaging. Wow, hopefully it's not broken or something. Sometimes, you know. Oh, that's so cute. Beautiful highlighter duo. Comes with a mirror. Super nice. Oops, I dropped the plastic, whatever. Oh, the color is beautiful. Maybe give it to someone, because I still have, what do you call it, plenty of highlighter. I'm not gonna able to use it right away, but so excited. And next is this Kate Somerville Skin Health Expert. Oh, exfoliating treatment. Super cute packaging, guys. Really cute packaging. I'm so excited. Super cute packaging. And this is what's look like the bottle. Skincare treatment. I don't know if I'm gonna able to use it because I'm using those what do you call that, acne treatment onto my face. Never heard about this one. Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, that's beautiful shade. I wish I know how to do eyeshadow so that I can play with it. Super nice color of eyeshadow. And this is what's look like, guys. And the eyeshadow is look like this. Beautiful shade. There's a bunch of shade. I don't know how many is it, maybe 15 shades of eyeshadow. Wow, that's beautiful color of eyeshadow. And I see something nice. Skincare. Okay, moving on. Milk makeup. Oh, I hear about this beauty brand, Milk makeup. And I'm so excited. Oh, what is this? Meteor Tollian overnight serum. It's a serum. I do love serum. One of my favorite skincare serum. So it's super cute packaging of serum. I like it. Purple. Oh my god, super cute packaging of serum. I'm so excited to use this one. And next is the you'll be excited. Next is this ice roller for your overwork sensitive skin. Wait, I'm confused. Ice roller. It's super cute packaging. I'm so excited. I'm gonna start playing with it tonight. Yeah, it's a roller. I do believe this is the roller that you have to roll it in your face. This one. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't have one. Yay. See, I think this, like, you roll it into your face up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have to read the instruction, but this is the roller face. I'm so excited. Everything is so nice. I can't wait to play. I'm gonna try it tonight. This roller face. Oh my god. Oh, this is the best one. Oh my god, this is the best one, guys. How do you read it? 3-1 skin. And I do believe this is face mask. Rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. Oh my god, this is 24K gold, enhances skin radiance to brighten and even skin tone. Yay! How many pieces is this? So excited to use this one. This is one of my favorites so far is this one. I love face mask. I do love face mask. One of my favorite skincare. So I'm really excited about this one. Oh my god. And the packaging is like super nice. Let's open this. I want to see what's inside. How many face masks in here. It doesn't tell. This is a lot. Oh my god, this is a lot. Who wants some? I'm gonna give you some. This is a lot of face masks. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I got 5 face masks. Oh, I'm so excited. And they're like really heavy. And they're like really heavy face masks. I don't know how many face masks in there, but in the one pack, it's super heavy and the packaging is super nice. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I got 5 face masks and the packaging is so nice. Really nice packaging. Man, I'm so excited. And also this one, super cute brush container. Really cute. This face mask is $135. Oh my god, it's so expensive. every time I receive my monthly subscription beauty box, I save a lot of money. I don't, like for example, all of this that I got, I don't have to buy it anymore. I already have it. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play all of this skincare brand or beauty brand that I got for this month for my Boxyluxe. I cannot wait. I'm so excited right now, especially for this face mask that I got. Super excited about that. I cannot wait to use it tonight. And yeah, that's it for today's unboxing, everyone. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notify every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much everyone for watching again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.